We are coming up on the damage. Look what happened. This windstorm what happened has destroyed my greenhouse. And my second greenhouse behind the tree. First Hurricane Sandy and several storms before then, it weakened it. I had wire in there, the center support, and a couple snowstorms. And the next thing you know, you get that. I've repaired it about 100 times. It's even making a face. And look what it did to the second one. I put a head on top of the piece of rebar. It bent the rebar. The wind bent the rebar. This one has 4 pieces of 1/2-inch rebar going up the center, and they were bending in the wind. Those are bent. This is when I'll cease to be able to focus. I guess we're doing okay. See the damage a little closer. Bent it right in half. It's folded on its side. As we get closer, it's pretty much as close as we can get. It's total destruction. Uprooted, bent in half. Had corn in there last year that grew 12 feet high. Soil's good under there. It's raised. I was really hoping to get a jump start to the season. Trying to keep a greenhouse up year round. As you can see, I think I need a new greenhouse. It's a nice day today, nice and sunny, but total destruction. Total destruction. You gotta admit the video's pretty good. I mean, just look at it. And dried the whole ground out too. The wind. See it split in the back there. This PVC just bends too much. It actually bent these posts. Probably not gonna be able to see. Had broccoli in here. Could actually plant in here. Started some spinach and kale in the house. But it's gonna get cold again. They're gonna freeze next couple of days. But as you can see, just total destruction. His head up there. Trying to get new perspective. Put him up there. Looks pretty good. It's a little out of focus. There we go. I mean, look. It's fucking... It just bent the rebar. It's bending the rebar in half. You're watching this. I mean, this is... Look. I think I need a new greenhouse. Look. It bent the rebar. There's really no weight on there. That's not weight. That's just that's the wind bending the rebar. Try to get a different perspective. I won't be able to get it from here. There's too much debris in the way. Oh my god. Can't see his head. It totally bent the rebar. Look at that. I've never seen this. I've never seen this. And these things were out here during Hurricane Irene. total destruction. I need a new greenhouse.